Hello and welcome to PlatterPulse. Today we're whipping up a batch of bold and spicy chicken tacos. These tacos are bursting with flavor, and they're super easy to make. They're juicy, they're full of flavor, and perfect for taco night. So let's get started. To kick things off, you're going to need 2 large chicken breasts, and we're going to cut those into bite-sized pieces. Next, grab a small onion and chop it up finely. And then grab a large jalapeno pepper. Now if you like it hot, you can leave the seeds and ribs in. If you want it to be a little bit more mild, go ahead and remove those. Either way, chop it up finely. After that, measure out about 4 to 6 garlic cloves. We're going to mince those garlic cloves, and then set both the onion and the garlic aside. In a large skillet, heat up 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add the chopped chicken and brown it on all sides. This is going to take about 4 to 6 minutes. So just work in batches if you need to, so that the chicken can brown and cook through. You do not want to overbeat the chicken, or else it's going to be tough and dry. We want it nice and juicy. Once the chicken is fully cooked through, you can add in the chopped onion and cook for about 1 minute, or until the onions start to soften and become translucent. After that, add in the minced garlic and cook for another 30 seconds. Then add in your chopped jalapeno. Cook for another minute, and after that, we're going to begin adding some flavor. This is where the magic happens. Stir in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. That tomato paste is going to add depth of flavor and a rich, fresh flavor. It's going to bind everything together. Next, add in 2 teaspoons of chili powder. We're going to add in 1 teaspoon of cumin, and then add in half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. And for a little heat, we're going to add in a little bit of cayenne pepper. Now, this is optional. You can add more or less, depending on how spicy you want these tacos to be. Last but not least, squeeze in the juice of half to 1 lime. This is going to help brighten up the flavors and add a nice tang. Now, if it looks a little dry, you can add a splash of water or chicken broth. This is going to help loosen everything up and make an extra saucy and flavorful dish. Bring everything to a simmer and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. That way the spices have time to meld and marry with the other flavors. While that's simmering away, go ahead and warm up your tortillas. You can do this in the microwave or on a pan. This is going to help make them soft and pliable so that you can fill them up easily. Once the tortillas are warmed up, go ahead and fill them up with the spicy chicken mixture. Roll them up, eat them as they are, or you can fry them up for some crispy tacos. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've got yourself some delicious and easy tacos. A few tips for you. If you want to keep these tacos more mild, remove the seeds and ribs from the jalapeno. Use smoked paprika instead of chipotle, and skip the cayenne pepper altogether. But if you like things hot, leave those seeds in. Swap the jalapeno for a serrano pepper. Add lots of cayenne pepper, and don't forget your favorite hot sauce on top. Tacos are great because you can make the chicken taco filling ahead of time and store it in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, or freeze it for up to 4 months. Just reheat and serve. And now, let's talk about serving. What sides would go well with these tacos? How about some homemade pico de gallo, creamy guacamole, or quick refried beans, or Spanish rice on the side? The great thing about tacos is that they're really meant to be topped with all of your favorite taco toppings. So don't be shy and go crazy. That's it for this recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to PlatterPulse for more recipes. Thanks for watching, happy cooking, and I'll see you next time.